Hello friend, welcome back to our Hawkstack channel. In today's video, we will learn how to set environment variable in Red Hat Enterprise Linux, means in RHEL. We will also understand the difference between the temporary and permanent environment variable with simple example. So how we are going to create the environment variable, we are going to see. So first question is arise. What is environment variable? What is environment variable? So an environment variable is like a setting that affect how process or programs run in Linux. Example just like the path variable tell Linux where to look for execute file. So now we are going to see for the temporary environment variable. Let's first learn how to set a temporary environment variable. This means the variable will exist only until the terminal is open. Once you close the terminal or restart the system, it will disappear. So, for example, we are going to see uh, echo and then dollar. Echo dollar my name. There is no value set. Okay, the output is blank because it does not exist yet. That's why it's not showing you the data. Okay, so first go and create it. Create. So how we are going to create? We have to write export, then the name. For example, my name I'm giving. Then after it name. You can give any name. For example, we are selecting the Rahul. Okay, it's done. After doing it, check again. Right now it is time to check. Check we are getting the value or not. So right now we are getting the output. So we just created a temporary variable. Now close the terminal and open it again, then run. So we are just log out, try to log in again. Then what's the command? We know echo dollar my name. So again, we are not getting the value. The output is blank again because it was the temporary. It is the temporary environment variable. Now we are going to see about the permanent environment variable. How we are going to work with the permanent environment variable. Permanent environment variable. So for permanent environment variable, now let's make the environment variable permanently so that it is available every time we log in. So there will be some common method in order to create it. First one is for if you have to create for single user. So for creating for any specific user, the method will be come under with file. What's the file name will be? Bash rc and dot bash underscore profile. So you can create with the help of this methodology. We are just checking about the user. So what we are going to check ls-l slash home. We get to know that there are some users account. What we are going to do, we are just logging as a Tejas user. After login, what the task we have to do? Vim. Then the location. What is the location is dot bash rc or dot bash underscore profile. You can select any one of them. Come here, come to the last line. We are by default now in insert mode because we have selected the I. In this place, you have to return the same thing. For example, export, then my name and value. Just like you are writing um, any name you can select. We are giving as a parrot. We are giving as a parrot. So after it, what you have to do, you just have to save and exit. We have done. After doing it, we have to save and exit, and then we have to reload it. For reloading, you have to type it source, then the location, which is the bash underscore profile. Done. Then check it is working or not. Echo dollar my name. So right now it is working. So with this method, you are setting the environment variable persistently or permanent. Even after logout or rebooting it, it will show you. Okay. For example, we are making the exit again. We are logging to our machine. We are note that we are set for the Tejas user account. So we are going for the Tejas. After it, perform the same task, echo dollar my name. So it's still showing you the parrot. It's mean it is working fine. Now, what the next task? If you have to set for all users, what is the second things? For all user, if you have to set and making it permanent. In that scenario, what we have to do? First things that you have to select a specific file. You have to go to a specific file for making this configuration. So the file will be vim as a editor. Location will be /etc/profile. We have to go to this location. We have come here. Then at the end of it, what the things we can do? We have to append some data. What the data we are appending? Export, then space, and we are giving another name. For example, company. Then we are giving the name Red Hat. After it, just save it. It's have done. Then what the next task you have to give? You have to give source. What is the source? etc profile. Done. Then run again the same task. Echo dollar company. So you are getting the value. So now the variable is available system wide. So this is the things we have taking right now. And what will be the important tips? Just like use export keyword to make variable available to sub process. Always reload the file using the source word after making the change. And we have seen the temporary environment variable which will present only till the session. So session only. Permanent will be available after reboot or login. So we have seen temporary variable we are creating using the export and the variable name and its value, and it is going to lost after rebooting or logout. As a quick summary, we can write it. For example, for temporary variable, environment variable creating, what we have done, we are using or we have created using export word, then variable, and then value. We are used. We come to know that it will lost after rebooting the system or logout. Then what is about the persistent or permanent variable? What we are doing? We are going to set in dot bash rc or dot bash underscore profile. In this location, you can go and you can set, and one for the system wide level, you can go to the /etc profile. So with the help of this profile, what you can check, you can change, and after making change, it will remain in our system after reboot also. So we have seen all those things. I hope this video helped you to understand how to set environment variable in RHEL. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.